Now we need to create our Gru. So I'm going to go to the plus character button again, and I'm going to scroll down. I want to find a character to customize into Gru. Now, I think this guy. So let's select him, the person, and then go to the paint option to customize. So let's, so what I want to do is I want to do exactly what I just did then. I've got the paint fill option. I've got black. So let's turn all their clothes black, including their shoes and socks. If I can get there, great. I just want to zoom out a little bit. Now what we need to do is, Gru has a very distinctive head, doesn't he? It's quite round. So I'm going to select the circle button. I think Gru's most probably that complexion there. So let's create a circle. And now let's fill that. Very cool. Now what I want to do is just change the colour of that person's hands so they're the same. Right, now I'm going to get a slightly darker pink. And I'm going to just zoom into there. And I want to create the nose. So I'm going to get the free drawing tool. It's got quite a big nose and it's quite pointy. So I'm going to do it like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my original pink and fill into there. The next thing, he's got black eyes. So let's do some white eyes, white eyeballs first. Fill them in. Let me duplicate that. There's one. So I'll duplicate that. There we go. His eyes, pretty cool. Now we need some pupils. Let's fill that. Fantastic. A mouth. Now he's going to be sort of quite shocked dealing with all the minions. So let's have an open mouth. There we go. And the last thing I think Gru's got is some pretty cool eyebrows. So let's go slightly thicker on our free tool. Brilliant. Now he does have a scarf, doesn't he? So let's go to dark grey first of all. I think it's a bit thicker than that, so let's go, maybe we can go to the thickest brush we've got. Yeah, that's the one. Fantastic. Now we're going to use a slightly lighter grey with a thinner line and see if we can go across. Oh. Fantastic. So zoom out. I think that looks pretty good. So let's press the tick button and there is our Gru. Now you've drawn your character to make this Minions and Gru Despicable Me game. Click on the video now.